Hello friends, welcome to Shimi's Dastarkhaan. Today's recipe is Paneer Korma. This is a Mughlai style paneer dish in which the paneer cubes are cooked in a smooth and a creamy gravy. This goes with any sorts of Indian breads like roti, naan and chapatis. So do give it a try, and if you enjoyed my video and find it easy to make it in your kitchen, do hit the like button, do share and subscribe to my channel. And don't forget to hit the bell icon so that you get notified when I post my next video. So let's get started. First, I'll show you the ingredients for Paneer Korma. Here I took 250 grams of paneer which I have cut into cubes. Then in whole spices, I took 1 inch of dalchini, 2 bay leaf and 2 green cardamom, 1 teaspoon of cumin seeds. In dry spices, I took 1/4 teaspoon of Haldi, 2 teaspoon of Kashmiri Red chilli powder, 2 teaspoon of Coriander powder, salt to taste, 1 teaspoon of Garam masala and 1 teaspoon of poppy seeds which I have soaked in warm water. 3 tablespoons of onion paste, 3 tablespoons of fried onion paste, 1 tablespoon of ginger garlic paste, 2 tablespoons of curd, 10 cashews and 5 almonds which I have soaked in water, 2 teaspoons of Kasoori methi, cream, green chilli and 1 teaspoon of Kewra water. You can use oil or ghee for cooking. So firstly we have to make a paste. So in the blender first goes the cashews and the almonds. The fried onions. The poppy seeds. And instead of water, we will be using curd for blending. Now blend them into a smooth paste. In a heated pan, I'll add 1 teaspoon of ghee and let it melt. Now I will add my paneer pieces and fry them golden. Don't overdo it, if not it will turn rubbery. We got a nice color onto our paneer. Now we will be doing the same thing at the other side and then take it out. Preparing of the paste and frying of the paneer are done. Now we'll start the cooking process. In a heated pan, I'll add 2 teaspoons of ghee. As kormas are meant to be royal, to that add the cinnamon stick, the bay leaf and the green cardamom. Here goes the 1 teaspoon of zira, that's the cumin seeds, and then cook for about few seconds. To that goes the onion paste. Cook for about 1 minute. Now add the ginger garlic paste and cook till the raw smell goes. The masala is nicely cooked. Now we'll add the blended mixed paste. Followed with the powdered spices, the haldi, Kashmiri Red chilli powder, coriander powder, salt to taste, garam masala. Combine everything well. Keep the flame in low. Cover and cook for about 2 minutes till the oil oozes out from the sides. The masala is cooked very nicely. So to that, I will be adding half teaspoon of sugar and half cup of warm water. Give a mix and let it come for a boil. Instead of water, you can add milk also. Now I'll let it cover and cook. After 2 minutes, there's a nice boil. So I'll add quarter cup of milk. You can check all the ingredients in the description box below. Give a mix. You can add liquid like milk and water as the gravy you want. Now I will add all the paneer pieces. Coat well with the masala. And now cover and cook for about 10 minutes. So after 6 minutes, I'll add the crushed Kasoori methi. Cream. Mix everything and cook for about 2 minutes more. At the end, I will add 1 teaspoon of Kewra water, which gives a nice aroma. I will switch off the flame and cover for about 5 minutes more. After adding the Kewra water, I'll cover the lid and let it sit for about 5 minutes. This enhances the flavor of the gravy. Friends, rich, delicious royal paneer korma is ready. You can substitute honey instead of sugar that enhances the flavor too. Make this for your special occasions. If you enjoyed my video, do hit the like button, do share and subscribe to my channel. And don't forget to hit the bell icon so that you get notified when I post my next video. Till then, bye.